The design of the building, when I first drove up, you know, to me, especially with the color, it really brings to me a mystery. I want to know more. I want to know what the heck is going on behind these walls. You know, what is this brick and mortar thing going on? What is happening here with all this concrete? And then, you know, it resembles a lot of objects in the world, and it had to be done for a reason, and I think that's for discovery.
I think and associate the Black Pyramid with teamwork and collaboration of different brands, different artists, and even though we may have different cultures, we still are able to come together to become one and be one family that shares the same passion, which is about giving, paying it forward, sharing our ideas, and taking our industry to the next level.
The building thrived on a way of this chaotic gesture that everybody was looking at everyone else to see what was going on. And the big thing around the building at the time was, what idea are you working on? And what idea are you working on? What are you doing? And what are you doing? And we'd bounce ideas off one another on a permanent basis. And these ideas were electric. They gave this company its lifeblood. And the more you connected with other people, the more things would happen, the more interesting it would be.
It was just buzzing everywhere. Everybody running around, working together, collaborating. There may have been a seminar going on while there was a photo shoot happening, and then a casting at the same time. And there was a lot of creative buzz going all the way around all the time.
So this building is more than a pyramid, more than a roof, more than walls and offices. This building truly is about uniting people and bringing people together, like-minded people with big hearts and lots of talent. And I know the friendships that I've created over the years in this building will last forever. And it truly has become my chosen family.
I think that with growth, you need a new chapter. And I think the new building is that future prospect. It's sort of inspiring people to think big. But when you stay in one place for a very long time, sometimes you're a little bit stagnant and you need to move on to progress. And I think the new building is that inspiration that is needed for everyone in the groups.
We start to see the fruition of years of dedicated work, of incredible people, all housed under this amazing building. So now we think, what's next? What's our next step? And we look very, very fondly and very excited to see in our Calabasas location and further evolve our culture, evolve our people and our teams, our education, and watch that grow.